Well, I'm going to vacuum my rug with the Fantom Theory. My favorite vacuum. Look at that, it's already picking up. I'm so used to the swivel of the Dyson and the Shark. Oh crap. Oh crap. Wow, look at that. That's mostly dog hair. That's what happens when you got pets, man. Has the new HEPA filter. October 25th, 2000. Basically 25 years old. You make sure there ain't no black crap. And then you look in there. All you just see is some dust. And then you smell the exhaust. If it smells like anything burning or anything like that, then you got a motor issue and the motor's in here. I know I need to wipe it down and all that, but I don't. This thing sits in the storage bedroom. I'm just so shocked that guy had this just sitting laying around. Wow. I guess I didn't put this on here right when I did it the first time. Oh well, it happens. There we go. On the earlier models, it didn't say certified HEPA filter. This was blank. But this is my favorite vacuum of all time because this is my childhood vacuum. I need to fix that right there. But I'll come in here and I'll vacuum this rug with it ever so often just to keep things, moving in the motor and stuff. I don't have any carpet in my house. Y'all have a good day. Please like and subscribe.